Okay, just got the latest acquisition in the garage. Managed to shoehorn it in. Yes, running out of a bit of room to work, I think. But we've got a 2007 Vespa PX 125 two-stroke, 4-speed manual on the twist grip there. True classic. Been relatively unchanged since the early days. Custom seat, sissy bars. Obviously the obligatory aerials on the back. Lovely sports exhaust, nice sound, improves the power. Further investigation, going to see if it's got a 150 kit on it. It's got the centre stand with side stand, and obviously crash bars and a plethora of metal that's going to be sold either with or without the bike. But I think for the purposes of selling it on as a really clean example, it doesn't need this on the front for the time being. However, cracking little bike, really looking forward to getting stuck in and recommissioning it. So be ready for sale sort of mid-January 2021 with full 12 months MOT and say 2,800 miles from new.